Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Google Pay to Shopify for streamlined mobile payments, full guide step by step clearly. Open your Shopify admin panel. From the admin dashboard, click on Settings in the bottom left corner. Select Payments from the Settings menu. Scroll down to the section titled Third-Party Providers. Look for Google Pay on the list of available payment options. If you don't see it, click on Manage under the Payment Providers section. Within the Payments section, locate and select Google Pay. Follow the prompts to enable Google Pay for your store. You may need to log into your Google account to grant permissions. After logging in, accept the necessary terms and conditions. Check for any additional configurations required by Google Pay. Once complete, click on Save to confirm your changes. Return to the Shopify admin dashboard. Test the Google Pay integration by simulating a purchase. Go to your store's front end and add an item to your cart. Proceed to checkout and choose Google Pay as your payment method. Follow the prompts to complete the transaction. Ensure that the payment is processed successfully. Check your Shopify admin for the order confirmation. Review the payment settings to ensure everything is functioning as intended. If needed, revisit the Google Pay settings to make adjustments. Your Google Pay setup is now complete and ready for customers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.